So I was on YouTube earlier, and I was watching videos. I probably shouldn't have, because I got a ton of repairs in. And I saw this trick from this one website. These guys work on, do airplanes and stuff. So you know how the throttle cables get frayed at the end? Which, if you're doing go-karts or mini bikes, it makes it hard to go into the throttle stop to hold in. What I usually do is show you what I usually do. Get my electrical bag out. Oh, knock my keys out. I usually take electrical tape like this, wrap it around there a few times, and then I take a cut-off tool and then I cut it off, usually on a Dremel, for just doing that. But this method is actually even better, and it was so cool, guys. I figured I'd have to tell you. Now, it does involve fire, and propane, so be careful, and power tools. So do this at your own risk, and don't be careless while you're doing it. You're going to tighten your drill up on there. You're going to turn on your propane torch. You're going to heat this up until it gets red. Until it gets that real close. And then you're going to hit turn on the drill slowly and pull back a little while you're doing it. So what that does, I'll post the link to the original video. It puts a real nice, it welds it pretty much together, puts a real nice end that you can fit right through a throttle stop on a throttle linkage or whatever, without it having any problems. And it is a lot easier than my trick with the electrical tape and the Dremel or some kind of cutoff tool. You just gotta be careful because you're dealing with fire and heat, and so use common sense when you do this. Do it at your own risk. And I figured it was just too cool of a thing to see and not show y'all. So if y'all gotta do it on a mini bike, go-kart, anything with a throttle cable, that right there is a pretty neat trick. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thanks again for watching.